Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 reasons why credit repair companies in 2020 just simply does not work. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Credit Coach Q. For those that don't know me, I created the first cloud-based credit repair software for you guys to fire your credit repair companies and take your credit repair experience into your own hands. So let's dive straight into the video. The first reason why credit repair companies simply does not work is because you are hiring a non-professional. You're hiring your cousin Pookie, you're hiring your friend cousin Pookie, someone that you heard about this does well when it comes to credit repair, but they is not regulated, they don't have their credentials, and they is not an actual business. So the first tip when it comes to buying into the perfect credit repair company is making sure you're getting with a company that is fully regulated. Step 2, credit cards. A lot of clients sign up with credit repair thinking that that's their only problem. Credit cards can be a very, very dangerous game to play if you don't play it well, right? So basically, if you have items on your credit report, you get all the items removed, and you still have active credit cards that's maxed out, your credit report, your credit score is not going to go up to the level that you want it to, only because those credit cards hold 55% of your score, guys. So if you're not in a good utilization rate with your current credit cards, make sure that you are putting yourself in a position to do so. Because I don't care if you remove every item that's negative on your credit report, which is what a credit repair company does. If you do not have the correct credit building tools on the report, the score will not reflect. Step 3, disputing. Credit repair companies do not dispute the items correctly, in my opinion. The big companies dispute in bulk, and the small companies that just don't know what they're doing. And when I mean small companies, I mean cousin Pookie, right? So what you have to do is understand the dispute language means different results when it comes to getting the results you want with credit repair. You have to write the correct dispute language in your letters in order to get the right response back from the credit bureaus. Let me give you an example. Our company get 87% of hospital bills removed only because we use this very specific language when it comes to our dispute. When you go to a hospital, you sign what is called a HIPAA disclosure. A HIPAA disclosure protects your privacy and all of your personal information from going to another party. But once you default on a loan and they sell your debt to a collection agency, what happens is that they void the initial HIPAA agreement that was placed between you and the hospital. So once they sell your debt to a collection agency, they actually breaking the law by breaking the HIPAA agreement. So with hospital bills, putting that in your dispute language is a very, very different way of going through the dispute process versus just saying, I want this item verified. Because what's going to happen is they're going to send you a response and say the item has been verified, but in all actuality, it's not removed. You want to show them where they were wrong. If you show them where they were wrong, they have no other choice but to remove it. But if you give them an option just to do an investigation, they will run it and leave the item on there. And a lot of credit repair companies do not dispute correctly. Number 4 is the biggest and the most important when it comes to getting the results that you want for your credit repair company. And it's simple, it's education. A lot of clients do not educate themselves, so they don't understand how credit repair works. If you don't understand how credit repair works, you would not ever be able to put yourself in a position to have long-term success when it comes to your credit. Because what's gonna happen is that you're not gonna learn anything from getting any quick fixes, correct? What's gonna happen is that you're gonna buy into something, you're gambling when you're doing it because you might get results and you might not. But say for instance you do get results. You're going to get some results and everything goes well. But what did you learn? How 6 months from now, you're not gonna put yourself in a bad position when it comes to a credit. You didn't learn anything. You didn't educate yourself. So guys, the fourth step is education. When it comes to credit repair, I don't care who does it or who is doing it. Make sure that you are educating yourself in the process, because there's a lot of scams with this industry, and I don't want any of my clients or anyone that follow anything with me have anything scams going on. So the fourth and final step is education, guys. Make sure that you educate yourself. Then again, my name is Credit Coach Q. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.